today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up conditional formatting on your Google Docs spreadsheet. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the Format tab at the top and then select Conditional Formatting. And then at this point on the right side, you can adjust what range to apply the conditional formatting for. And then the format cells if it meets a certain rule here, basically. And then you can adjust the formatting style as well as the color over here on the right. And that's pretty much it. And just select on to save, and you can add additional rules as well. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.